We are going to make some Play-Doh together. You're going to help me measure out my ingredients. Let's get ready. To make your Play-Doh, you will need your hands for mixing, a bowl, some tablespoons. This is a tablespoon. You will need a measuring jug with 60 milliliters of water, 8 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and some food colouring. I am using red. Adding food colour is optional, but it does make it bright and exciting to play with. You can add some glitter, sequins, and other things to make it fun. I also like to use water and oil that is infused with different flavours to make my dough smell nice. You can do this with baby oil or different spices or flavoured tea. Now I'm going to use my tablespoon and I'm going to measure out 8 tablespoons of plain flour. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need 2 tablespoons of salt. My sister forgot to bring the salt, so I'm going to go and get it right now. A jar of salt. Now, here's my jar with salt, and I need 2 tablespoons of this. So, ready? 1, 2. So, take your water. You should have 60 milliliters. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, and you can add your food colouring. The food colouring I'm using is a paste, and I have just used a tiny bit on the edge of my spoon, and I'm mixing it with the water. Now you might have a different kind of food colouring which is a little bit runny, but remember, the more you put in, the darker your coloured mixture will be. It's time to pour your mixture into the bowl with all the dry ingredients and then give everything a good mix. Carry on mixing until the dough no longer sticks to your finger. As you can see, my fingers are sticky with dough, but I will keep rolling it and squeezing it, and slowly it will not stick to my finger anymore. Now I can see that my dough has come together and it is ready. Let's have a quick recap to see all the things that we needed. So I got my tablespoons ready to measure all my ingredients. I needed 8 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt. I needed to get 60 milliliters of water and mix 1 tablespoon of oil. You can also use some food colouring if you would like to make a coloured Play-Doh. Now, good luck making your own Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed this video.